Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today I'll be learning how to link Facebook account to Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to link your Facebook account to your Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app. First open your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app, guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or the profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here. Again, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right, and tap on the settings button over here on this panel, or just above the logout button. Tap on settings, and over here, guys, you can see the social accounts option available for us just below the connected accounts. Tap on social accounts button over here, and with that being done, guys, this kind of box will appear where you can see the logo for Facebook, Instagram, and Dropbox. Now in order to link Facebook account to Picsart, tap on the Facebook logo, and the login panel to your Facebook account will open after it loads. You can see, guys, and if you're logged into your current account on your phone, you can choose your Facebook account over here. But if you want to log into your another account, tap on the connect with another account button over here. And with that being done, guys, enter your mobile number or email address over here, and after that, enter your password over here of your Facebook account, and then tap on the login button over here. With that being done, guys, after you have logged into your Facebook account from this panel, and your Facebook account will be linked to your Picsart account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to link Facebook account to Picsart account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.